Well, hello everyone, and welcome once again to Taste of Thoughts. Dr. Irina, welcome, and it's good. And as a matter of fact, we are starting our second season.
Yes, it is so exciting. Yes, yes.
Isn't it amazing? 1 year has gone by.
Yes.
And we are in a new set, as a matter of fact, which is very nice, designed by Tara. She did a great job with that. So, at this time of year, what do you have in mind for preparing for today?
Oh, definitely February is a month of love. It's Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day, yes it is.
So yes, and it's chocolate time. And whom should you love the most? Definitely, we should love ourselves. Love yourself first, then other people will love you even more. Why? Sometimes people mix the emotions of love yourself. It is what? Like you want me to be ego and bad person? No, it is not about even treating yourself and indulging yourself. This is leave it for other people, to other people. But love yourself, love your health, take a good care of you. So, Valentine's Day is about sweets and chocolate and love. Love yourself. Eat good chocolate, eat good food, and it's for you and for your loved ones, right? For health. So I prepared here some things for making chocolate fondue.
Chocolate fondue.
It is very simple meal. You don't need to cook something specially. You can do it together. It is kind of involving your melting chocolate, and then you dip fruits and nuts, and it is very nice time for Valentine's Day, right?
Right. You make it sound easy.
So, and would you please help me, because I actually have this recipe in my ebook.
So, we need some chocolate. It says about 8 ounces of chocolate.
8 ounces, yeah. We have
some
a
heavy
small
cream.
boil. Yeah. Why we use dark chocolate? Not just dark chocolate. When you see it is written dark chocolate, it may not be as dark as you want, as we want for our low glycemic lifestyle. Chocolate, good chocolate, should contain more than 70% cacao. Everything which is more than 70%, it is good for you, it is healthy, and it has lots of benefits, which I mentioned in this book. I have here 86% cacao. I'll try this. You can use 70%, I have 70. Here you see 71%. So you have great choice. Really, you can find everything you want. Just pay attention to the number, real number percentage of cacao. Would you please tell me how much cream I need?
You need 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream.
Oh, I'll explain that I have the water between this pan and this one. So melting chocolate is not going to be, the chocolate is not going to be burned.
Not burned on the pan.
So
because it's actually the water that's heating the chocolate.
Yes, yes, and having water around this inside pan makes the process very smooth. So, and we'll add gradually pieces of chocolate. If you like bitter taste, you can choose, like I am 86%, but everything more than 70 works. And I think we need to add something.
After that, we need 2 tablespoons of brandy or cognac.
Oh, okay. So this is going to be the last thing, but I think something with orange we should add.
Orange, it does say 1 orange, fresh juice.
And zest. So cream, chocolate, orange juice. Ah, so good. And actually we'll cut a little bit of zest.
Right, it says some grated zest, orange zest.
Yes, it added just a little bit. We're not going to peel all orange, but just adding a little bit zest will be nice. You can even eat it later because it will be all in chocolate. So, okay. The deal is that you need to take good care of your chocolate and mix it all the time. You see, it is going to be, it's melting and melting. I personally like the combination of chocolate taste, like cacao taste, and orange.
It's a good combination.
If you don't like, you can skip it actually. Not a big deal. But usually it is very, very nice combination. Nothing before brandy, because brandy I leave to the very, very end.
2 tablespoons of brandy.
And that's it. There is a secret
But
ingredient,
the rest of the
some
ingredients,
black pepper.
Yeah, we need the orange zest, fresh orange juice, tiny pinch of chili pepper.
Yes, I just put
that in. And the brandy and the heavy cream and the chocolate. And
this is it.
That's what you have there.
The dark chocolate is kind of has a harder consistency than the milk one, so it melts a little bit. It takes a little bit longer to melt. Yeah? Yes. Now you can use cognac or brandy, or use flavored brandy. Again, you can choose whatever you want. If you like orange taste, you can use orange. You can use just plain any brandy. But another very nice tip for flavor of fondue is adding a little bit coffee taste to the chocolate cake taste. It works. How much we need?
Well, we're talking for brandy 2 tablespoons.
Yes, I remind that we are making just half of this amount because our pan is so only 1.
Okay. That sounds good.
Okay.
It's starting to melt.
It's starting to melt, but I think I need 1 more because I actually needed 4 and I placed only 3.
More chocolate.
More chocolate. I'll add now 71% to make it a little bit. It's not even sweeter, but creamy taste. Delicious. Aha.
It has a nice chocolate color there now, that's for sure.
Now we are getting closer. We are getting closer. I think I'll do it now less temperature. You need to stir it constantly. Do not let the oils of chocolate, they are very healthy oils, do not let them come out. And also, since we have cream, we need to stir it constantly. Okay, we are ready. Look at this.
Wow, that looks just fabulous.
Oh, it's fabulous. Now we need to take it out, which is a tricky thing, but not as tricky. And we place it here. You can lit a little candle underneath, so it keeps. Okay, so we can start enjoying good chocolate with healthy thing like fruits. Choose fruit. We have here nectarina, apple, prune, kiwi, star fruit, you see, and you can also get any kind of nuts. Very good. Avoid banana, avoid grapes, avoid mango. The rest is very good, very, very healthy things and great combination with chocolate. Well, we can maybe celebrate our 1 year of the program and the Valentine's Day and the month of love.
Well, that's just excellent. For Valentine's Day, you did chocolate fondue.
Yes, let's try it.
Let's try it. Okay.
Well, this is mine.
This
is
is
yours.
Very well prepared.
So, here is the deal. You take this,
Mm-hmm.
you take this, and you take any fruit you want,
Mm-hmm.
and you dip it in chocolate.
Dip it in the chocolate.
And that's it.
Look at this. Mm. Mm.
Isn't it a good treat for Valentine's Day? Since we have this brandy, we need to do something with it.
Mm-hmm. This is always the good part.
I want to...
Wow, look at this. Fantastic. This is so tasty. Fruit. Perfect. Oh.
Love yourself. Eat good chocolate.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See you. Beautiful.
Love it. Mm.